Hello learners. Welcome back to Learning is Cool. Today's challenge is guess the correct phrasal verbs. These are the 30 common phrasal verbs in English. Are you ready? Let's start. This means to end a phone call. Hang up. Hang over. Hang around. Hang up. It means to surrender or lose hope. Give up. Give in. Give way. Give up. It means to be in love with. Fall off. Fall for. Fall out. Fall for. This means to split. Break up. Break in. Break out. Break up. This means to change one's opinion of something. Come on. Come around. Come across. Come around. It means to survive at a minimum level. Get by. Get along. Get at. Get by. This means to brag about one's abilities or accomplishments. Show up. Show through. Show off. Show off. It means to disintegrate or break into smaller pieces. Fall apart. Fall down. Fall through. Fall apart. This means to continue. Go for. Go back. Go on. Go on. It means to speak one's opinions about something in a long and boring fashion. Hold back. Hold forth. Hold on. Hold forth. This means to take revenge or pay the money back to someone. Pay down. Pay off. Pay back. Pay back. It means to give a specified impression. It also means to find or meet something or someone by chance. Come forward. Come out. Come across. Come across. This means to have an argument. Fall apart. Fall for. Fall out. Fall out. It means to investigate. Look forward. Look in. Look out. Look in. This means to lose control over one's emotions. Break up. Break in. Break down. Break down. It means to acknowledge defeat. Give up. Give in. Give way. Give in. This means to escape or leave suddenly. Run away. Run into. Run after. Run away. It means to consider all the outcomes and possibilities of a situation. Think back. Think over. Think through. Think through. This means to start a journey. There are more than one answer for this. Set forth. Set out. Set off. Did you guess it correctly? Drop them in the comments below. It means to tolerate. Put down. Put aside. Put up. Put up. This means to depend on. Count on. Count upon. Count down. Count on. It means to disappoint someone. Let down. Let off. Let out. Let down. This means to continue doing something. Keep up. Keep on. Keep out. Keep on. It means to cancel. Call out. Call for. Call off. Call off. This means that profits and business expenses are balanced equally. Break away. Break free. Break even. Break even. It means to remember the past. Look back. Look after. Look out. Look back. This means to pass time aimlessly or with someone. Hang up. Hang on. Hang around. Hang around. It means to decline someone's offer. Turn down. Turn away. Turn into. Turn down. This means to start suddenly. Break up. Break in. Break out. Break out. It means to discard something. Throw away. Throw up. Throw in. Throw away. Thanks for watching. Which phrasal verbs has been the most interesting for you to learn? Drop them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more games like this. Always remember, learning is cool.